What's up, everyone? We're on the bikes right now. Welcome back, guys.
Hey, I doing while I'm using a Mandalorian bike. I kind of fell off this from the last video. Definitely.
Welcome back, guys. We are heading back right now to the abandoned building.
Oh, it's not so process.
But it's still like, I don't think we're gonna be out there till dark. Unless today we might be trying to get inside. We're just trying to explore. We could go farther down and explore a little bit more and see if there's any other abandoned buildings. Scott, you think we'll probably do that in this video? Should we like ride down and see if there's like any other like abandoned buildings we can find? Oh, we'll show you guys here's the other abandoned building from last video. Hey guys, go check out the last video. Yeah, there's also gonna be a video of Scott's POV. That will also be on here if you guys want to watch what he's seeing. And yeah, so we will see you guys when we get to the abandoned building. Okay guys, so we are about 150 more feet in to the journey. We just saw a fire truck and an ambulance. So no, we can't go through there, remember? I'll meet you on the other side. So there's definitely something going on up the road down here. I'm gonna meet Scott over here. Told you I couldn't. Told you guys. I know this place better than him, I guess. There's a fence right there, you can't get through it. I'm riding in the back alley. About to cut a turner. Hopefully there's not a car here that's gonna kill me. And guys, we're gonna wait for him here. Scott! Shoot, you can't hear me. Alright, let's go find him. Let's go find him, guys. Let's see if he's up the road or if he's coming behind. Don't actually know. Just trying to push the bike right now. Sorry, I'm going so slow. There he is. Told you. Alright, we're back onto the journey. Oh, alright. But look at all those flies around that dumpster.
Is that corpse in there, question mark?
Maybe. Oh, this bike's getting hard to push. So is Scott's, he said. Oh, okay. How are we supposed to ride bikes? Oh yeah, let's go a little bit off-roading. So, if you guys, hey, watch out, Scott, watch out. Oh. Alright, guys. Alright, I'm gonna push the bike. Well, that's not really tall enough though, I don't think. Alright. We are almost there, guys. Oh no. I just slipped. If you guys didn't just see. There we go. It's a better path. Don't mind that, I'm sorry. Okay, over here. Alright guys, we're back onto the road. Thank God. Back, Scott's up there. Let's go to this abandoned building, man. Off-road again. There's a chain in the ground right there. Alright, here we go. Wait, is this abandoned?
No.
Look at this.
I think it is.
Okay, let's go to the front. Let's put our bikes.
Security camera got taken out.
Alright guys, we're checking right now if this is an abandoned building. There's just a bunch of this trash. It might be actually.
No, it's not because there's lights in here. So there's stuff.
Anyone home? Oh my God, it's kind of creepy.
It's not abandoned.
I'm gonna go out front to see. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys real quick. Let's just see if this thing's abandoned. Conventional tax service. Dudes, it's abandoned. This place is not in business right now. I'm gonna go tell Scott this. There's a dog or something. Dog house of some sort. We might try to get in here, guys. How y'all doing? Yeah, don't ask about the Vikings-Browns thing. Where did Scott go? Okay, guys, Scott just left somewhere. Oh, there he is. Looks like he's powering on his phone. Here's the place. Let's see if anything happened. We're gonna be trying to get in there today. You setting up your camera? Hey, if someone knows what that symbol is. Wait, there's like writing. What does it say? It says D's. What? Doesn't
kill
power is
something.
Is Clibist. Doesn't, okay.
That's a Satan symbol.
It definitely says doesn't kill power.
Hey, what's that on the ground right there?
That's paint. Do you think there's anything in it?
That was not here the last
Yeah,
time.
it was.
It was?
Hey, if you guys want clarification, go back to the video, check that out.
Don't put your fingerprints in it. Oh, there's shit in there.
There is some
Look,
paint.
there's paint right here.
Someone trying to. Oh, there's like a broken glass bottle.
That's beer.
No, it's Starbucks.
Oh. Satisfying.
Okay, let's try to get in here. Guys, so if you guys didn't know that, we'll get to it, but this used to be some sort of a door.
I think people got in through there.
But they sealed it with concrete. No, this is like drywall, this is thin.
You call it chicken.
Wait, guys, I know one way to tell if this place is actually abandoned or not. Oh wow, look at that. All zeros, there's no power being put into the building.
Oh. 88.88.88. Is there power?
There's probably some. Oh, for the light.
Oh yeah, it's true. Well, why do we have power for this but the building not? Hey, does that light work? See that light right there? Does that one work?
Probably not, I would assume. Hey guys, we will be going live next Saturday.
We might go live going here.
Yo, bro, guys, look at how flimsy this door is. Like, we could bust this down with ease. Someone's trying to hit with an axe, it looks like right there. Anyone home?
We could, if we were to get like something to put in between there, then yeah, bro, look down here, look down here. Yeah, they're trying to rip it from the actual thing.
Guys, look at this. This is.
People rip the thing.
I think this used to be part of the door, probably like this.
No, it was not there. That used to be up there.
Oh yeah, it used to be part of this. This is. Look, and then they screwed the door in because people were trying to get in.
Look. Didn't actually. No,
Busted in nail, axe hit. Oh, it says something. I didn't even notice this. I cannot make that out. You see this?
Yeah.
Interesting. Yo. Is this skull? You wanna go to like the front of the building and then see if we can.
I'm sure.
Look at that. You guys see?
Alright, everybody, this is Scott's POV. Here, my boy Austin right here.
That's my boy Scott. Look at that, guys. People are trying to get in this thing.
No, really?
That window is like, I feel like they would.
I feel like they would have broke that.
Because I feel like this one's shorter. Like,
yeah,
and plus there's something to put your foot on.
Yeah, you can just climb up there.
Oh yeah, but I think there's like a bird's nest in here because we heard birds in there yesterday.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
You want to throw a glass in there and see if the birds will start making chirping sounds?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw a rock in there and see.
Throw it at the glass again? Yeah.
I mean, I might hit it.
Alright, POV, will Austin hit the glass? Yes or no? Make your votes in the comments. You hit a piece.
Did you just see that?
What?
I swear I saw something fly by right when I did that. Hold on. Let me throw like a pine cone in there. What is that? You see that? What is that?
A giant turkey.
That's what I was thinking. Alright, let's throw a pine.
Alright, well, Austin hit the glass again. Make your votes in the comments.
Hit the ground.
Why do you hit the ground like so delayed?
I don't know.
That's weird.
Well, there is sinks in there. Here, guys, I'm gonna pause the video. Scott's gonna try to get me on camera, okay?
Alright, boys, he's gonna try and get y'all in there.
I don't know.
don't know if y'all can see in there, but
Take it.
my fault.
Okay, guys. So I don't know if you guys can see in there. That's really high. That's high.
Hey, we just need to. Let's go back and get that fence.
Let's see if we can get the fence out. No, it was over here.
We have to try though.
It was this one.
It was bolted in, remember?
How are we gonna get it out?
Or we could go back and get a ladder.
Hey, neighbor.
Oh yeah, this is the. Oh wait, no, I thought this was the neighborhood.
So, oh wait, so this is the wait.
Where's this fence right here?
That's really flimsy.
Which fence was it?
They bolted it in somewhere.
No, they bolted it in.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's fresh wood. That's probably what it. Right there. That's fresh. What other ways could we get in?
And look at the broken.
What is that? That was not here yesterday.
Hey.
Alex. It says Alex. I have a person.
Okay.
It's kind of weird.
Hey, I didn't know that this was here.
What?
This little pipe thing. Why is there broken glass all the way over here?
I don't know.
What is this? Oh, it's a CD.
Actually?
It's a part of a CD. Look at it. You can tell.
Oh yeah.
I think gang members come out here, I feel like.
Bro, we gotta get in there. I feel like.
Ow, my ankle.
But bro, we need something to get in there.
We need flashlights if we're gonna go in.
I think we probably have our best hope, to be honest, with this.
That's what I'm telling you, yeah. And if it, oh.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, whoa, what's this?
What the?
I think it's a security door lock thing.
Guys, look how like flimsy this is. And then down here.
Yeah, we could just like rip this thing from the. Just pull it.
Look.
See it's doing that?
It's so flimsy, but I don't know how we could get it. Wait, let me kick it real quick.
You can't kick it inwards, but you might be able to loosen it though.
Yeah.
Alright. Come on, Daddy Austin.
So thin.
Come on, Daddy Austin. Kick it hard. That sounds very inappropriate though.
So.
Whoa. Come here.
Hold on. What? That was not. Was that there last time?
Kick it in. No, kick that in. Kick that in.
That's a weird kick. Shit. Wait, did it break it? Oh, it broke the seal. Look at that. Wait here, I'm gonna punch it. Hold the camera.
Wait. Okay, now do it.
Oh my god, that's so thin. Guys, that's the floor in there.
Damn! Don't do that.
Yeah,
Come on. Here, take
look how
this.
thin this.
Keep pulling it.
You heard that? You guys?
No. In a way.
Here, help me pull it. Help me pull it.
Holy shit.
We got it. Oh my god, bro.
Holy fuck.
We're about to pull down the whole wall.
Bro, I feel like that's gonna fall down and just kill us. Alright.
Bro, we just ripped open like the whole freaking.
No, but then we would have to pull.
Should we do it again?
One more time. Alright, 3. Holy shit. We're ripping it. Oh my god, bro.
It's like
Look how far we've been.
it's bending in right
Wait,
now.
now kick it in. Now, like.
Right here? Wait, should we now?
Wait, you can see in there. I can't see.
See?
Hey, the door is moving.
Actually?
No, I know why.
Yo, guys, look, we
This
broke.
could be one way of us being able to get in.
Bro, only if we could like rip this down somehow. That'd be crazy. Look at all this, guys. We just pulled this.
I paused my video.
We just pulled this all apart.
Yeah,
Wow.
they were trying to do the same thing, see?
No, I don't
No,
think
that was
so.
from freaking.
So this is the nail right here. I say we should pull it again. That's gonna make too much noise.
How to do shit.
Here, let's try to pull it one more time.
I'm putting my phone down for this one.
Here, let me set the phone up. So I can pull it harder. Yo, hold on, let me get in there. Go. Let's just pull it. Bro, we're about to pull the whole freaking.
No, I don't want to do that, bro. I feel like it's all gonna hit us.
No, lift it up.
There might be bees nests in there, just saying.
Yeah, it probably is. Look how far we've opened this now. Wow, bro.
If we
Wait,
get
get a
something.
flashlight. Turn on a flashlight. Bro, look at this. It's snapped all the way down to like here. Here, wait, put a flashlight in here.
Rip all of them down.
Bro, we can definitely pull this wall down. Get a flashlight in there.
It's not bright enough, and there's a giant cobweb right there.
See if you guys can see. Go and turn on the flash. Look in there, guys.
It's not bright enough. You can't see.
Want to see you pulling it?
I say that we get that door, because if we were to do that, that would be too obvious. But if we could
Wait. What if what if you pull this door and I'll kick that door? Okay. Hey guys, let's see if this works.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, stop.
Wait.
Ripping the wall.
Come here.
Holy shit.
There's something down here. Yo, there's something down here. Look at this. It's like
Ew.
It's like styrofoam.
Whoa.
Well, you see those cops?
I thought they were driving in this driveway.
You guys see that?
Come on.
Let's just go out. Okay, guys, I don't know if you guys heard that. We might have heard some. Oh, Scott! I completely forgot to tell you. This is abandoned. Let's take a look into this.
This isn't abandoned.
Yo, I went up front.
Wait, remember that door?
Yeah.
I heard talking. I'm not lying. I heard talking.
There's nothing. You're just hearing stuff. No, this place is abandoned. Wait, let's go look down in that door.
No, I don't think it is abandoned. Don't be kicking stuff.
No, we're not gonna be kicking anything. Let's just look into the door. Wait, if this opens. No, that's locked shut. There's like a hallway. Don't worry about that. Safety first.
Wait, I could ride back and get a tool. Get the bag.
Hold back.
You want me to go back and get something?
No. What would you get if you rode back? Look at that.
That's a camera.
So, yeah. We'll see if any of these even like budge. It's not even.
Try it. I feel like that place isn't abandoned.
Look, this is actually like locked up. Wow. Where are you? Hey, let's go to the front so we can see anything. So guys, look at this. Wait, see if you guys can't really see anything really. There's just like nothing, I guess. I don't know. Should I go on the balcony?
No.
There's no one around. We're going on the balcony.
No. Alright, whatever.
Hey guys.
Hands on the balcony. Look in the window. See if you'll see a little child over there.
Oh my god. Yo, it's like a freaking house.
I don't think this place is abandoned.
No, it is.
No, it's not.
Alright, hey, I need to clear if there's any cars. So I'm gonna use like the camera. No cars, let's go. Shit, there's a car. Hope that car's not looking at me. It's not, okay. Whew. Bro, no. That's so weird up there. Here, I'm gonna go to this side. Guys, I'm gonna go to this side. Because there's another balcony. Is there another window? There is. There is, but it's shut. What about the windows up here? Okay, this is open. Guys, look at that. It's like a whole house. That looks like a house. Scott, come here. These. I'm so scared someone's just gonna come in here. Scott, come here. I don't know where Scott is. Hey, Scott, come here. It's so weird. I don't know what this place is.
Can we just like get something in the house?
What?
I don't know. Something.
Here, let's come look at this.
Whoa. This thing?
Like we'll try it. Come on. I'm gonna show you this stuff. Oh, look in here. This is why
It's not a band. I've seen the lights on in here. It's not.
Look. Wait, look, bro. Look through the camera.
This is not abandoned.
Look through the camera.
Look at the office area.
I don't know what it is.
It's an office area.
You know what I bet it is?
What?
I bet you like half of it's like it's called confidential tax. But you half it's like an office, and then the other half's like a house.
See, this is an office, bro. This place is not abandoned.
How do you, just because it's an office doesn't mean it's not abandoned.
Bro, everything will be taken out if it was abandoned.
That's not true.
Yo. Don't even think. No.
Wait, is the window unlocked?
No.
If it was. Look, looks like that too. Maybe I should. Yo, and then this thing, bro. This thing's weird.
It's a little doggy house.
Does this lift? No. Let's go to the front of this building. So let's just take a look.
There's a satellite dish. Bro, can we watch YouTube in there?
Actually, probably can if it had internet.
No, we probably could if we wanted to.
Bro, this place is mad weird. I'm not gonna lie.
See the birds.
Yeah, the birds are probably. Well, these birds are outside. Bro, let's take a look back in here.
See, they're in there. Oh, that's how they're getting in.
Oh, look at that.
Wait, baby birdies.
Wait.
Baby birdies. See how the things like slanted down a bit?
Yeah.
That's where they made their little nest.
Wait, newspaper.
Oh, what's it going on?
Oh, that'll be actually. I don't think newspapers have days.
1982.
They don't have days on them.
Yeah, they do. That's true. Never mind.
Fuck. Do you have your phone on you?
Yeah.
Can I get the flashlight?
No.
Why not?
You made a barn for it, bro.
Yo, look at that. I'm gonna let you guys just stay with us the floor. What was that?
Listen.
Is that you?
Tornado sign?
No, it'd be way louder than that. Look at But look at this sign, bro. It's so weird.
Alright, come on.
What's in here? Wait. What?
They took a lock off this.
Oh, nah.
Don't even.
No, there's probably like an inside lock.
That would be too obvious if we were to go through there.
Wait, what is this red thing?
That's a chair.
Is it? I just heard the birds. Bro, this is such a weird area. So look, hold on, let's show the camera a little bit more. Let it focus. Look at that, guys.
Look.
It's like a bunch of like random pictures of things, bro. It's so weird. Wait, Scott. This is a ripped, posted no trespassing sign.
I said no trespassing?
Yeah, posted no trespassing.
Well,
Dude, I wonder if they got cameras in here.
well, what's the point? Oh, whoa.
Yo. Wait, hold. Record me real quick.
Hold on.
Oh nah.
I
bet you I can do that. Here, can you hold the camera for me? Hold that for me.
Hold on. I gotta turn the flashlight off.
Okay.
No, we can't. There's cars, bro. Do it now. Come on. Alright, stop. Let's not. Come on. Is there even no how long is that no trespassing time?
I don't know, because that's like the first time I've seen that. And we've been here.
Maybe people just added it, like just trying to prank some people. Yeah, see that? We could.
But, like, look, there's like the metal thing.
We were to keep kicking that in.
We have to bend the metal.
Yeah, look at the shoes that people have kicked on it.
Yeah, look at all that. Trying to
Yeezy slides? No.
easy slide.
So I kicked some Yeezy slides with it.
I'll throw this out the window.
Okay.
Wait, I wonder. Let's look at here again.
Hey, they broke the window. Like for slide. Oh wait, never mind. Oh. Just gonna yeet it.
Oh, that didn't not do much.
Whoa. This?
With the window. Alright, let's get back to this door. Wait.
Oh, no,
Yeah, this is flimsy right here. Oh.
stay though.
Bro, look how much we've broken this.
Come on.
Oh,
Oh, that's not.
that's so loud, too. Bro, look how much we've broken this up now. It sounded very weird, but okay. Oh my god, wait, do that again. Wait, pull it hard. Yeah, look at that.
Can you see inside?
Yes.
No, you can't.
Wait, pull it hard real quick. I want to see if I can get inside. Oh my god. Wait, keep pulling.
That thing's gonna fall down, bro.
Let's try the door. Bro, I bet you someone broke the handle. What is that? Get out, get out, get out. Go, 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 go. Bro, that's an alarm, that's an alarm. Get out, get out, get out. That's an alarm.
Positive?
What else would that sound be?
It felt like it came from these neighbors.
It did. Bro, that might be like alarming that we're here. Let's get out, let's get out.
We'll come back in a sec.
It just went off again.
Nope.
Okay, guys.
This way, back.
We're not in the back alley. They're gonna expect us to be in there. Sorry about that. Hey, let's chill right here. I wonder if this place is abandoned. Scott! Scott! Oh, there's a security camera right there. Hold on, guys. Shit. What? There's a security camera right there.
There's a security camera?
Up there.
Alpha.
W word.
Hi.
Hey, I say since we're already out, we should go show them the other abandoned building. Remember the automotive shop? But we should go show them. We should go show them. Oh nah. There was a cop over there. Hey, that's fine. That's fine. He drove past. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If they see us riding in the back, they're gonna be suspicious of us. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Oh. Just checking it.
Imagine he's turning around though.
Oh, you know that factory?
Dude,
They're tearing it down.
which factory?
You know the factory by Delco Park?
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're tearing it down.
I think people have gotten in there.
Yeah. Some of my friends have been in there actually.
Like gotten in the actual building.
Yeah. I wonder if the
It's
building.
not abandoned.
But like, I've never even seen a car in it. That's the thing. That's from the China cottage. Hey, we can cross. Cross, hurry, go. We got this in chat. We got this in the chat. Scott's over there. I'm right here. Band building's right there. Shoot, there's a cop, there's a cop, there's a cop, there's a cop. There's a cop. Cop. And there's a weird guy back there walking. Back there. I did too. He said he saw a cop, just if you guys didn't hear him, but you guys didn't. Big cars are driving through here. Scott, where are you gonna go? Huh? Crossing. Crossing, guys. W's in the shot. Hey, go down the hill, go down the hill. Down here. Down here, Scott. Bro, guys, I do not have brakes, so we just gotta hope we slow down by momentum. That's really, and we gotta pray to God that there's no cars, so I'm gonna run down the sidewalk. We are moving pretty fast, but we don't have brakes, so there's nothing we can do about it. Come on, momentum. Slow me down. Down. Okay. Okay, we're slowing down. I have so much momentum when I cross those streets, I feel like. Oh, Scott's down there. Scott, I'm sorry. I don't have brakes. I can't stop. Plus, I'm holding a camera. Okay, so where do you want to go? Hey. Can I get your guys' 1v1 in a YouTube video? Alright. Hold on, guys. Alright, let's see it. First to 5? Or what? Alright, first to 5. Alright. Don't mind that. Oh. Hey! LeBron James. Press up on it. Oh, what a block. What a block. He's really playing like the guy on his shirt, man. He's better than LeBron. Oh, come on. Oh, my God. Oh. 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 Oh, he almost cooked it. He almost clipped him. Like, is that out? Okay. All right. Is it 4-0?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're doing 1 to 2. 2-0. Okay. Oh. Oh, he sold both of them. Hold on. Hey, next score wins. Next score wins. We gotta go. Let's see if he. Let's see. Oh my God. All right, you gotta get him on the clip.
If the little kid wins, I swear.
Oh my. Oh.
No.
Cooked. Oh wait, yeah, hit that telly again. All right. See ya. What's your name? What's your name? I see you, Kingston. What's your name?
Kenny.
All right, see you, Kenny.
Hey guys, shout out to Kenny and
Hey, shout out to Kenny and Kingston for that W1v1. Kenny got cooked. And Kingston played like Michael Jordan. That was a W video right there. Okay, so where do you want to go? Kitty.
Hi, little kitty. Are you friendly? You're not gonna hurt me, right? No.
Yeah, he's running. I doubt it. Wait, yo, come back here. Yo, you guys see this? This place looks abandoned, kind of. Yo, this place kind of looks abandoned. Absolutely, yeah.
Those kids are following us.
Yo, we got fans now.
Go.
Hide. Oh, they're down there. Scott! Guys? Oh my God. Well, these are probably some expensive skis. Well, I'm gonna go with Scott. Scott! Scott's such a loser. Scott, where'd you go? Oh my God. Scott! Scott really ditched me. Alright guys, well Scott's not in this video anymore. Unless he appears, which he probably will, don't get me wrong. Alright. Well, I'll see you guys back on the bike trying to find Scott. Alright guys. Scott, come here. Bro, this ski shop is throwing away skis that are probably, like, look at this. Bro, and then there's skis over here. And then there's, you guys see all this? This is a lot of equipment. Bro, like, look at all this. Like, they're all taped together. Come here, Scott.
I was
Zoning out.
yeah, zoning out.
Okay. Alright guys, so we have made our plan. We are heading back, which means the video is going to end. The cat's still over there, he said. Hey, come on, let's go. Onto like the main street. Alright guys. So yes, probably gonna end the video here. If you guys like this, shoot, my bad. If you guys like the where? Alright guys, so the video, like I was saying guys, if you guys like these ideas, the abandoned building stuff, we will go to more, because we know where quite a crap ton of them are. And yeah, so I think, Scott, do you think we should do anything else on the video? You want to do anything else on the video? What do you want to do?
Go back, get some flashlights.
Okay guys, so listen, let's go back. We're gonna get some flashlights and stuff, and then we're gonna come back. We might not film it, we don't know. And we're going to try to get in. We're gonna plan an escape route that we can use if cops come back here. Maybe run to those kids' houses. I mean, I don't know. But that is going to be it for this video. We might make another one. I will see you guys in the next one, which either might be in 20 minutes. Some people are arguing over there. I'll either be in 20 minutes or 20 hours. I don't know. By the way, for the guy that said this is concrete proof for getting older, Breakfast Burrito is no longer here. Maybe in your state it is, but not in our state. Also, guys, we were wondering, would you guys like us to do a little bit of metal detecting? We are going to get back to the ghost hunting soon. We're just trying to plan out an idea of where we want to do it, what's going to happen, like what we're going to do. So yeah, we will. So don't give up on that. It is still going to happen, but it's just not happening right now for a couple reasons. But yeah, detecting, we will do that. Also magnet fishing, maybe. But yeah, we'll see you guys.